What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I done a makeup tutorial on, I'm gonna call it my Christmas look. The reason I'm calling it my Christmas look is because I want to take pictures for Christmas and I want my outfit to be red and my accessories to be gold. So this makeup would be perfect. The makeup, what y'all think? I think I should do a red lipstick instead, but this is the one I'm using for today, so it might change once I take my pictures and decide I want a red lip. So stay tuned so you can see how I did this. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows and concealed underneath as well as my eyelids, just so I can keep the video a little shorter. LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey. I'm using Studio Fix Eye Kit Paris, and I'm using this red right here. That red right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend that red up, just so you can't tell there's a line right there. And I'm using this e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. It's pretty thick. I still got some red on there, so I'm just gonna fade that on out. So I did put the excess concealer that I did on my eyes, like underneath my eyes, and then I put a little on my forehead, just so it wouldn't go to waste, but really not gonna do nothing. Okay, so now I am gonna go ahead and highlight before I put my foundation. So now I'm gonna highlight with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Contour. It's in the color Banana. Just want y'all to see that. promise y'all this gonna come out right. I'm gonna go ahead and color correct here and here. And so I'm gonna color correct with LA Girl Pro Conceal. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. So I am going to be using Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in Medium Deep. this LA Pro Conceal, LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Dark Cocoa. So this is their darkest shade. There's no shade darker than the LA Girl Pro. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it from here down to here, do the same thing over here from the eyebrow down to here. I'm gonna highlight using my Sonia Kashuk. It is in the color 53 Glow, and it is a blush duo, so it's a bronzer and a blush. Makeup Forever. It looks like this. So yeah, you guys, that's it. Let me let my hair down. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay. So yeah, you guys, I hope y'all like this makeup look that I was able to do for y'all today. I think I'm still trying to get a Christmas outfit together, and I'm leaning more towards red and gold. So hopefully I find a good outfit that's gonna allow me to wear this look for Christmas so I can take pictures and everything. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I shall be back with more videos. Bye.